Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to use Asana. First, open up Asana's website and sign in. You can find the link in the description. Once you are signed in, set up your profile. Now to set up your first project, first input a name for your project. Now add in your tasks, then continue. Group your tasks if you want to. Choose a layout for your project. You can change it afterwards. You can even invite your team members if you want. Here you can see your project. You can even set the assignee of the task. You can even set the priority of your tasks or your status. You can edit the options too. You can mark your tasks done by clicking the checkbox. You can easily move your tasks into different sections by using the shown icon. You can easily share your project to anyone by clicking on share. And that's it. Now you will be able to get going easily. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.